स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, welcome you all in today's video that is all about the Maharashtra MCACET 2020. As you all appeared for the exam and I hope you got the best results. Now the question comes, what after the result? So guys, what exactly happened in the cap round process? Here we'll talk about some of the important points regarding it. So stay tuned with me throughout this video. And the thing all you should know about it, your score is equal to the respective college. I hope all of you got good score. And if we're talking about the score, then highest score of this year is 154. So friends, after exam अब क्या process होगा exactly, you should be aware about it. Cap round में कोई भी mistakes नहीं होनी चाहिए और definitely आपने काफी hard work किया है. So friends, let's get some reward for this hard work to grab that one seat in your dream college. So few are the important things you have to operate carefully in the cap round process. So these are the common mistakes which our students oftenly followed during each year. And friends, due to these common mistakes, lot of students admission got cancelled. So be careful. The next one, the very important documents. If you have the documents, then keep it safe. And if you don't have, then how to apply it for these documents before the actual cap process starts. And the next one, the very important guidelines. So what are the guidelines you have to adhere to and you have to follow? So the maneuver has started the workshop session. So before guys, fill this form to register for the workshop. It consists of all the details such as your name, the contact number, and if there is a WhatsApp number, then it will be very good. Your email ID, what exactly score you got in this exam, the bandwidth of score, that means you got 120 and above, then mark A for it, 100 to 119, then mark it B. Your respective category such as SC, ST, VJTI, denotified tribes with respect to NT 1, NT 2 or 3, OBC, even SBC, that is specially backward classes, EWS and open. So fill the category section, state, either you are Maharashtra state candidate or other than Maharashtra state, and your city. And friends, remember all the do's and don'ts. Keep in mind all the important stages. Don't do mistake while registration process, while uploading the documents, selection of preferences, reporting to ARC either online or offline. And very important, don't do hurdles during verification. So guys, avoid all these mistakes, and if you will repeat one of these mistakes in the cap round, then your admission will be cancelled. So fill the form for workshop, get all your doubts to be clear. And friends, here is the reward for 100 plus scorer. The candidates who got the 100 plus marks in MCACET will get the free access of cap round program from manual, which is of rupees 199. So you can avail it for free of cost. Contact our support team on this number. So friends, to avail the benefits, here is the Google form. The information you have to fill: your full name, the WhatsApp contact number, your alternate contact number, email ID, score in CET, the bandwidth as per the score, your respective category, the student type. If you are a manual classroom student, then mark here online or live student. If you purchased any mock books, ebooks or full course, etc. And if you are not a manual student, and of course the state and city. So to fill this form, I mentioned the description below, so you can click on that link. You can register for the workshop. So moving further, here it is the program whom I talking about. You have to come to the manualedu.com, then buy online section, click on MSCET cap round, click on the show packages here. Now the MCA comes under the technical education. So here it is the respective program: technical education, undergraduate and postgraduate courses, cap round program. Now the program contains the videos. In this you will get all your fundamental doubts to be clear. You will be familiar what exactly the stages involved in the cap round, what are the important documents. If you don't have, then how to apply for it, and so on. So guys, just add to cart, avoid each and every mistake in the cap round process. And friends, if you are preparing for 2021 and 2022, then you can join the online program where you will get books, mock test, sectional and full course, and you can also interact live with us. There is a separate batch for 2021 preparation and also for 2022 preparation. So call on 8828581455 or visit manualedu.com/mcentrance. And if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom sessions at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai. So thank you very much guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.